small apartment decorating ideas. Tiny spaces, big style results. So you've finally moved into your new place, but it feels a little more shoebox than sanctuary, right? Don't panic. We've all been there, staring at a cramped studio, wondering where on earth the sofa is supposed to go. Did you know that small apartment decor is actually all about strategy rather than sacrifice? It's time to stop seeing square footage as a limitation and start seeing it as a creative puzzle. Let's turn that tiny living struggle into a high-end design win together. First things first, have you noticed how dark colors can make a room feel like it's closing in on you? To fix this, we're leaning hard into a minimalist aesthetic with a light, airy color palette. Think soft whites, warm oatmeals, and cool grays to reflect natural light and create an illusion of depth. By using monochromatic tones, we blur the lines where the walls meet the ceiling. Doesn't the room feel 5 feet wider already just thinking about it? Want to know the oldest trick in the interior design book that still works every single time? Mirrors. Placing a floor-to-ceiling mirror opposite a window acts like a second window, bouncing light into those dark, forgotten corners. It's a total game changer for maximizing small spaces without spending a fortune on renovations. Have you ever walked into a room and felt like it went on forever, only to realize it was just a clever reflection? That's the magic we're after. When you run out of floor space, where do you go? You go up. Most people forget that their walls are prime real estate for vertical storage solutions and floating shelves. Instead of a bulky bookcase that eats up your walkway, why not try some sleek wall-mounted units? It draws the eye upward, making your ceilings look much higher than they actually are. Isn't it amazing how much hidden storage you can find when you look at your walls differently? Let's talk about your furniture. Is it working as hard as you are? In a compact home, every piece needs to have a double life, like a storage ottoman that doubles as a coffee table or a sofa bed for guests. Modular furniture is your absolute best friend because it adapts to your needs throughout the day. Why settle for a standard bed when you could have one with built-in drawers for your off-season wardrobe? It's all about that functional decor life. Do you ever feel like your bed, desk, and kitchen are all just one big messy pile? We can fix that visual clutter by using area rugs to define specific zones within your open concept layout. A plush rug under the seating area tells your brain, this is the living room, even if it's only 2 feet from your stove. It's a brilliant way to achieve zonal decorating without building any bulky walls. Doesn't that structure feel much more organized? Window treatments can make or break a tiny apartment, so let's keep them light and breezy. Heavy, dark curtains act like a visual stop sign, whereas sheer linen panels let the sunlight filter through beautifully. If you position your curtain rod higher and wider than the actual window frame, it creates a luxury loft vibe instantly. Who knew that a simple swap of fabric could make your windows look twice as large? It's all about the natural light flow. Have you ever noticed how heavy a solid block style sofa looks in a small room? To keep things feeling light, we want to choose furniture with visible legs, what we call mid-century modern style. When you can see the floor extending underneath your chairs and cabinets, the room feels much more spacious and less crowded. This visual weight trick is a total secret weapon for anyone trying to master the art of small room layout. We need to be honest. Clutter is the ultimate enemy of small space living, isn't it? To keep your home looking like a Pinterest board, we have to embrace the one in, one out rule and display only our favorite pieces. Using decorative baskets is a stylish way to hide the daily mess while keeping your essentials within reach. Remember, a curated home feels like a boutique hotel, while a cluttered one feels like a storage unit. Which one would you prefer? Can you believe the transformation we've planned out just by making these few intentional shifts? Decorating a studio apartment or a tiny flat doesn't mean you have to compromise on your personal style or comfort. By focusing on light, scale, and functionality, you've turned a cramped space into a chic home that truly reflects who you are. Ready to grab some paint swatches and start this journey? I can't wait to see how your tiny space transformation turns out.